Hi folks, it's Matt here again. I'm just doing this because some of you guys have asked for a little bit more on Vids and do an alternative demo because you don't have access to the storyboard function. If you recall, we don't really need the storyboard function, and I definitely don't want you just dragging and dropping the assessment into an AI and letting the AI do it. Remember, I need you to do it. So with that in mind, what can you do? Okay, a couple of simple wee tips here. If you guys jump over to this thing here, which is called Google Labs. So punch in Google Labs, and here you go. Remember, we use Google Workspaces. One of the benefits, here's Google Labs. Let's go down to Google Labs, scroll down, and if you go down little dots, you'll find a thing called MixBoard. Try it now, okay? Jump to MixBoard because MixBoard is really good. It's just like a storyboard function. What you do is you just punch in the bar, what do you want to create? So in this instance, I've said, look, I want to use AI to transform a marketing team. And it gives me a whole pile of images, guys. All of these images, give me loads of them, gives you loads. And you just say, don't like that, keep that, don't like that. And you just put it down and you play with it, right? Now I've arranged it like this. I tried to arrange it like a story, obviously, it's kind of MixBoard storyboard. And I says, right, here's a traditional marketing team. I just chose marketing. Traditional marketing teams, well, what's the situation for traditional marketing teams? Well, the reality is they're underskilled and they're overstressed. The vision is, oh, we would love AI to transform our business. So I've put in an AI acceleration here. And I'm going to accelerate a business with AI. I'm going to give them an AI CRM. I'm going to give them a multi-channel pay-per-click campaign using Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, X, blah, 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 multi-channel. Okay, so this is my vision. This is what I want it to do. Okay, I also want to have metrics. So I want to have metrics that AI is now going to check whether any of my stuff's working. So this is just my vision. I'm saying this. I want to transform a business from a rubbish marketing company to a transformational marketing company. And I'm going to use AI. Okay. So let's imagine it all works. What would I end up with? I would have a dark strategy. The business would have informed decisions. We would have great metrics behind all our cool stuff, and we'd have a future focused synthetic marketing company. And that would give me what I would call digital to dark business transformation. So that's my vision, okay? All right, okay, Matt. So you've made a nice wee storyboard, let's just say. Fine, I get you. Doesn't stop there, guys. Jump up, hit presentation, boom, and oh my God, look what it's done. It's gave me a presentation. It's made it, look at this, lovely slides it's gave me. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful. Let's imagine I love it, right? Okay. I just hit download. It will download as a PDF for you. And I know you're shouting, but I want slides. Okay. Okay, you want slides, guys. I get it. Jump over to the free PDF converter of Adobe. There it's there. Adobe Acrobat. PDF converter. Thank you. Drop in your PDF. You can do it. Drag, drop it in, whatever. Upload. Thank you. It will convert it to a PowerPoint. But I don't want PowerPoint. I want slides. Don't worry. Go over to your Google Drive. Here's my drive. Just drag and drop your PowerPoint in and then open the PowerPoint and say convert, because Google will say, do you want me to convert it to slides? Yes, it'll convert to slides. Thank you. You now have Google Slides. Check it, make sure you like it, whatever. Jump over to Vids. Okay, so here's Google Vids. Here's one I made earlier, right? Okay, and I just dragged and dropped it. So if I was over here in Vids, right, let me just see, just so you know where Vids is, go up to the little dots, guys, open it up, and there's Vids there. Thank you. Vids opens and you will see your panel. You won't have VO and you won't have storyboard, but you don't need to anymore. Hey, I don't need storyboard. Who cares? I've just made my beautiful one with MixBoard and I'm going to drop it in. You will have what's called convert slides. So if you click on convert slides, your vids will appear here and you just select it, right? So here's one that I made earlier. I didn't use the other one. I just used this one here. And it's to do with digital sports development and future transformations because I'm doing future study stuff. So let's just play it.
Welcome to this video on digital sports development and its future transformations. Today, we'll explore digital.
Right, so it turns it into a video and you'll notice you've got an AI. The AI has read your slides. It has dropped in a video overlay. It can also drop in a little soundtrack if you like. Okay, so you got a really funky soundtrack underneath if you want, that's fine. And she's read them and she will now run through the video and it will transition with each slide. But let's imagine, and this is the thing I would like you to appear in it. Oh, I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do it. Right, okay, guys. All you do is I did before, insert, okay, Video placeholder, thank you. Select the placeholder, here you go. And you can chuck it anywhere. And you can make it bigger or smaller. And you can delete it when you want. It's totally up to you, okay? So I'm going to delete that one. Well, I did this live in class. What do I mean? You'll see here, right? Let's play it.
Strategy and operationalization.
So that if I want it, I can read the content.
Right, so that's me doing this live in class, guys, okay? Right? Now, interestingly, you'll notice that the lady's voice had disappeared. Originally in class, her voice was still there. One of the guys in the class said, "Oh, but I can't hear you because that's a voice overlay. Oh, this is so hard." And I was getting really annoyed at this point. And I went, "Guys, you just literally select her voice. I want rid of it. Delete. She goes bye-bye. I am clear as crystal. You can hear me. It's not a problem, okay?" Let's say you don't like this image, delete, and then go up and put in your own image. Go and make your own image and upload it, drop it in, whatever, guys, okay? Right? Change it, mix it up, right? The key thing is this is incredibly simple. It really is. Now, I don't mind doing a session where if you really need it, want one here, or you want to discuss it further, which is fine. Just play with it. Have a go. Have a go. One of the guys in the class the other day did an amazing mix board. It was fantastic. And this was his first go at it. He says, I just went in and I messed about and he built an amazing one. The images were great. And what he did is he had too much. He'd actually way too much stuff. And I says, you're never going to get that in the time scale for the assessment, by the way. You're going to have to cut some of that. And of course he went, I don't want to cut it. It all looks brilliant. And I went, hey baby, calm down, man. Just take that stuff that you're going to have to cut and set it aside because you can use it for the second assessment, right? And then they went, oh, right, I never thought about that, right? And that was it. So, anyway, listen to me. It is really easy. Go and play with it. You know, I know the GA guys, they're, busy guys with work and all this kind of stuff, and people live busy lives. If you need me to pop into a Google Meet session and walk you through or answer some of your questions, let me know. If you don't tell me, I can't read minds, guys. I'm good with all this tech shit, but I don't read minds, okay? So get in touch. Hopefully that helps. See you later.